Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Napkin AI. Napkin is an AI based platform that transforms your text into visual, like it can create diagrams, graphics, and video snippets. So simply go to the browser and there you have to search for Napkin AI. Then you will get this first link. Simply open it up and it will open like this. You can get your visuals from your text, and this is what it will create, like diagrams, and it shows like how it works. You can just simply check out all that. You have to simply give it information and it will create it. So you just have to simply click on get napkin free, and after that you have to simply sign up using your email address. Then it will greet you by saying welcome to napkin. Then you have to click on create my first napkin. Then you have to select if you want to go with your content or you just simply use the AI to write it for you. It's up to you. I'm going with this AI option. Now this is your search bar. Just simply search up anything that you want to get into the form of visuals, whatever you would like to. If something is related to your work, just simply write it and ask it and give other description or instructions of what you want in your work. After you have written your prompt and you're done typing, then we have this option continue. You have to simply click onto it. Then AI will start writing. First, it will write whatever you have asked. Later on, we can convert into visuals. I have asked it to create a script, and you can see it has created this summary, and it also have created the characters and then the dialogues. So you can just simply check out what it has written. Now you can click on generate visuals. Then it will go through the text that it has written, and based on it, it will generate the visuals. So here you can see the visuals has been created. It has actually created different sort of visuals. You can see these are sort of diagrams. You can just simply check, and whatever you like you can keep it. You can also use such diagrams or such visuals in your presentation as well. Simply ask it anything and it will create visuals. You can use it in your assignment or presentation. Now there are other options as well that you can explore. If you want to search for something specific within whatever it has written, you can literally search for it. This one is for the label. If you want to add the label to any specific text, you can do it. Then you can use this pen and you can just simply start the sketch. So that is all about a napkin AI. That's how you can use it. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.